Hey everybody, it's time for a circle pour. I've done, let me show you the pour that I did yesterday on my new MDF. So that is the completed pour. It really looks pretty cool. I'm liking it a lot. So let's see if I can get it. So I'm pretty happy with it. I love the way it dried. It dried nice and smooth on there. So I am very pleased. And yeah, because you can see it's real smooth. The only little bit of texture is, let's see, right there. And that's normal. You'll get that a lot in pours, just from air bubbles or from the movement of the cup or what have you. But as I say, not a single piece of artwork is perfect. And if it is perfect, a machine probably made it. Oh, it's just freezing right now in my basement. It is snowing outside. We're supposed to get like 3 inches, but now I don't even think we got 1, so we're lucked out there. So this is my MDF. I keep taking these on and off. I've primed it with gesso and sanded it, taped up the back. Turns out Jules, so a woman who I'd met through YouTube, she told me to use duct tape for resin, and I did yesterday, and none of the resin got underneath the duct tape. It was perfect, and I just pulled up the duct tape and all the little beads just popped right off. It was awesome. So this, I started with the painter's tape and then remembered I was going to use duct tape. So that is why there is a combination. Yeah. Anywho. So, the paints are all mixed with Floetrol and water. And the colors I'm using, this is a self-mixed green, this is raw umber and white, Grumbacher Persian blue, and this is self-mixed. This is a red, an orange, and a magenta. And then this has silicone and also iridescent medium. So this one is loaded up with stuff. The rest are just Floetrol and water. And then my white paint is Dutch Boy, which I keep in here now, and that's Floetrol and water. And when I pour it today, there's probably going to be a huge chunk of something in it, because when I opened it earlier, I was cleaning off the lid and this giant chunk of something fell inside here, and I can see it in there, but nope, there it is. It's in here. So I'm just gonna pour it off and take it out that way. Yeah, wouldn't that be lovely in it? Let's see, make sure the rest is... Oh, there's another one. I knew there was more. Okay. And I'm just going to do a flip and a drag. And I may, I'm going to see how those colors look, and I may or may not go over it, add some more colors to it. I'm going to see if I like that combo and if it needs more. So I'm really liking these MDF circles more than the other wood ones, just because the edges are smoother and it's thinner, so it's just easier to handle. But had I taken more time for sanding, I'm sure the others I could have gotten a lot smoother. But if that's all you can find, they're great. I mean, man, I really did a number on this white. Oh, I should have done my flip cup before I did this, and I could have done it on there. I'm just tilting the excess off, and I found another thingy. Is in there. I like to stick my fingers in the paint to see how deep it is. Okay. Let me grab my torch. I was doing some resin, so it's on the other side of the room. I'm just popping any air bubbles. It's weird how everything can get covered, but like one little stinking spot. I need some coffee. My coffee is freezing cold. Because when I came down here, I was going to paint right away. But then I started doing some varnishing, and then I started doing some other stuff, and I've been down here forever. Okay. It's not good. Green. And then I'm just going to open all these. Hang with me. Ooh, that red is pretty with the iridescent. And this self-mixed color, which is really pretty. Ooh, that's thick. Oh, crap. I'll just start the pour right there. Decision is made for me. So I am going to stir this a wee bit. Ooh, look at all the cells already popping up. Wow, I totally lost it. Look at that. A lot of activity, a lot of cells, pretty colors. Okay, so I'm trying to see, there doesn't really look, since I didn't really flip it, I just kind of swooshed it around. There's not a whole lot of bare spots. But like this area doesn't want to move. That's frustrating. There we go, come on. It's doing good, but I can tell I've got some different paint consistencies going on. Or else maybe just a lot of white paint. Oh, my eye is itching. Hang on. Oh. So everything is heading downhill. So I'm going to tip it the other way slowly to try and get things back so they don't look like they're falling. And yes, it is slow. It's like watching paint dry. But if I tilt it fast, it's just all gonna go right off, and that won't be good. So I'm tilting it up and a little bit towards me. Some white in there. I like this. I don't think I'm going to add any more color to it. Instead of using a straw, I'm just kind of using, maybe I will use a straw. Just wanting to make that area a little wider. Yeah, I'm gonna get a straw just to It caused a bevy of baby cells. I love just this one right there. That one's like, screw you, I'm gonna do what I want. I love his attitude. You go, paint. You go. don't know why I assumed that was a boy. Could be a girl piece of paint too. Okay, I'm just staring at it to make sure there's nothing else I need to do to it. Ooh, that's, okay, that paint's pretty thick. Okay, I like it. I do. It's very pretty. These colors went great together. You know what bothers me when things are too smooth, too orderly. I don't like it. Okay, there's nothing there. So let's see how close I can get without blurring. I love how the red is showing up just kind of randomly. And there's the Rogue paint. So thank you so much for watching. Please click like, share with your friends. Have a great day. Catch you next time. Bye.